Solar power can be used in two different ways, as a heat source and as an energy source. It is a renewable energy and hence it doesn't produce more thank you. Good morning, my name is Aditi and she is my friend Goviti. We are going to say about solar energy. What is solar energy? Solar energy produced by sun, clean, renewable source of energy. I am Goviti. I am going to say about Kamuti Solar Power Plant. Kamuti Solar Power Plant is the world's largest power plant. Kamuti Solar Power Plant is My name is Rashmi DS. My topic is environmental impact of fishing. The environmental impact of fishing includes issues such as the availability of fish, overfishing, fisheries and fisheries management, as well as the impact of fishing. Thank you. Benefits of fish oil. Fish oil is a form of fatty acid that is derived from the fish of oily fish. It contains omega-3 fatty acid. Fish oil helps us remove the sauce such as fish, prawn, shark and Buddha. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good afternoon. My name is Shanani and my partner name is Nandika. We are going to speak about fishing in India. Fishing in India is a major industry in coastal states, employing over 40 million people, according to Food and Agriculture Organic Shades. Thank you. My name is Punita. I am going to tell about
Slate, no?
My name is Nagita. My topic is dead to fish habitat. Potentially harmful substances like pesticides and heavy metals, hydrocarbons are often released into aquatic environment when My name is Vijay Pregna. My topic is uses of fish farming. Fish farming is a form of agriculture. The process of growing fish commercially in tanks or ponds is called as fish farming.
Wait, I am.
My name is Yuvan. I am from secondary. My name is fish farming is the environment-friendly process of producing fish in large quantity. Fish helps in producing natural seafood for people to eat. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Siraj Ali. My topic is fish in Nalli. Fish plays an important role in life. We get protein from in some places like Bangladesh, America. They get 75% of daily proteins. Fish in West America. They get 30% of animal proteins. Fish is thank you. Have a nice day. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rohan. I from Talbot. Fish micronutrients. Fish is very important micronutrients such as iron, calcium, and vitamin and zinc. Micronutrients. Thank you. Have a nice day.
for catching fish. There are various types of techniques for catching fish, such as spear fishing, angling, netting, etc. Here I discuss about two techniques, like that spear fishing, angling and spear fishing. Angling. This is a method of fishing. You need an angle on it. Take the water, fish, bite it. Then on the method of take the water like this. You get it. Spear fishing. This is an ancient method of fishing. You need a spear. This is spear or an arrow. People use spear to catch fish inside the water, in the shallow water from the above. Nowadays, spear has also been introduced to catch fish under the water from the above. So, thank you. Have a nice day.
His name is Rashid and his name is Rush and he is Yemen. We all together are making this story and there are basically we are taking to and this is one of them and this is underwater. This is like this
cannot hear you.
magnetic electricity with the help of flowing water. And my friend is going to show you how basically it works. So when you think this is a dam, when water falls from a height, here the current is produced and light is produced here. Light is used in lights, like whenever ionized water comes out with force, this combined it rotates and light like if you connect in future, if you connect many houses, they will get electricity because of flowing water. Artificial leaves. This is a piece of hydrogen which is in. This is the piece of magnesium which is there in the silicon chip. The magnesium produces hydrogen bubbles in the top and oxygen in the bottom. Oxygen can be used for the nature and hydrogen can be used as a fuel for future. Yeah. This fuel can be connected, like it can be used as a fuel in automotive rockets and other like automobiles. This is diluted acetic acid.
Dilute acetic acid. But will the cost of hydrogen produced be more expensive than the acetic acid that you use? Now, to get 1 rupee worth of hydrogen gas, millions of
This is a cross section of the tunnel of what is called inside the tunnel. Workers go half a kilometer deep into and cold is instead of they bring up the
Then coal is instead of state, so it has to be refined. So they are broken down into gravel sized pieces. Then cyanide and water is added to the coal mines, and then distillate mixtures with technique tanks and solids being heavier with tablets. Then some minerals are elements are added to the smelter to purify the gold, like magnesium nitride, oxide, like sodium nitride, etc. And so then the smelters decrease the temperature is 1,000 degrees Celsius, and then the workers take the impurity out and the gold is put into bar-shaped holes. The gold is put into bar-shaped holes, and then it takes 1 hour to do that. In the basic of
finish.
Good morning, I'm Zia and this is my friend Preeti. Today we're going to talk about geodes. So what do you think is a geode? Geode, like suppose you go hiking in mountains, you find some round-shaped rocks. You think, what is that? Is that some dinosaur's egg or something? Then you slam it open, but then you found beautiful crystals inside that. So that's called a geode. Now my friend Preeti will tell you how geodes are formed.
Geodes are formed near volcanoes by volcanic rocks. When rocks are hollow in between, the groundwater passes through it, and when groundwater passes after thousands of years, crystals gets formed because groundwater contains many minerals which help in the formation of crystals.
Our topic is ceramics. Ceramics are inorganic metals, non-metal types. The earliest ceramics made by man were pottery. We have two kinds of ceramics: the older ceramics, which are made out of clay, and the modern ceramics, which are made out of hardening glass. And we also have different types of ceramics that is non-technical. The non-technical ceramics depend on Good morning. Our topic is rubber. So now today we are going to learn about iron and the extractions of iron. As we know, irons are in India. Iron is found in many places, mainly Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. In our own Karnataka, iron ore is found in Chikmagaluru and Bellary. So as we know, iron is used in most of the things like magnet. Iron is used in a magnet, and most of the things like we see ghost protocols done in many places. So iron is being used everywhere. So now there are types of irons. Like we have variety in the food, same way we have varieties in iron also. So there is pig iron, which is otherwise called as cast iron. There is wrought iron, and there is steel. Steel is used in utensils as we know. I like to explain about what is oxidation of iron. First of all, oxidation, in which the substance combines with oxygen. Just like other metals, iron being a metal, it gets oxidized. And then the process is known as rusting. When rusting takes place, the iron turns into a reddish brown substance.
Okay.
And now we know about many things about iron. So I'm going to show an experiment on it. Do we use iron in every thing? So iron is useful for everything.
Thank you.
Good morning, our topic is diamond formation. So as you know, the diamond is the hardest metal of all. Diamond comes in many colors like red, green, blue, etc. or it may also be colorless. Diamond is used by industries for many purposes such as cutting and polishing. Diamond is also used in ornaments like necklace, bracelets, etc. There are three methods of diamond formation: in subduction zones, in Earth's mantle, and at impact sites. In Earth's mantle, the diamond is formed when during volcanic eruptions, the magma travels through the diamond stability zone. This diamond stability zone consists of pieces of rocks containing diamonds, and these pieces of rocks are known as xenoliths. So when the magma travels through the diamond stability zone, they carry the pieces of rocks along with them. And when the volcano erupts, they bring the diamond on the surface of the earth. Diamond
Okay, continue.
in subduction zones, diamond formation takes place in subduction zones. When carbon rocks are formed in this, as carbon is the purest form, increasing heat of the carbon, as carbon is the purest form of diamond, as diamond is the and pressure and heat collide, and the diamonds are formed.
Good morning, my name is Dayashi and her name is Padma. Our topic is copper. So, as you know, copper is reddish brown in color. It is very ductile, that is, it can be beaten into thin sheets, and it is also a good conductor of heat and electricity. Copper is used in making utensils and cables, wires, etc. And it is also used in making coin statues, and it is also used in electroplating devices. So we are going to show you a few experiments with copper. This is a gold leaf electroscope. A gold leaf electroscope consists of a glass jar which contains a copper wire. At the base of the copper wire there are two gold leaves. The gold leaves discharge when the electrons flow through the scale, the gold leaves split. Now I'm going to explain you how, as aluminium is more reactive than copper, it displaces copper and then it turns into red color. So you can see deposits of red aluminium down. So that is it. Thank you. And that is it.
Good morning, I'm Shamira. This is my friend Florence. Our topic is silicon. Silicon is one of the most useful elements available to modern man. It does not occur in free nature. As you can see, silicon is found in many places. In remotes also silicon is found. It's found in watch. It's found in watch and rock. This is made up of silicon. Even microchips are made up of silicon. Pen drives are also made up of silicon. This is made up of silicon. These glasses are extracted from silicon.
Silicon is used in the preparation of concrete, cement and sand. Silicon is the most important ingredient in alloy iron and steel. It is used in making a very good material called silicone, a waterproof material.
Silicon is found in USA, Brazil, Canada, India, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Ephraim and he's my partner.
Yazul, and we are going to talk about emerald.
Colombia is by far the world's largest producer of emeralds, consisting of 50 to 90% of the world's producer.
Emerald is antiquity. It is mined in Egypt since 1500 BC. And India and Australia have been mining emerald from more than 14,000 centuries.
Colombia has dramatically increased about 78% from 2000 to 2010. From 2000 to 2010, the three main emerald mining areas in Colombia is Cozo, Cosquez and Chivos. Thank you.
I'm Shan and this is Ashwan. We're going to explain about uranium. Uranium is a chemical element with symbol U and atomic number 92. It is a silvery white metal. It has different types of protons and electrons, of which is 92 and 92, and of which 6 are valence electrons. Uranium is weakly radioactive because all of its isotopes are chemically unstable. The most common isotopes in uranium are uranium 235 and 238.
And this is uranium is very important element because it is used in nuclear power station to produce electricity, and is also a major material which is used to synthetic trans uranium elements are made. And this is uranium. This is the glass of the uranium. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Bipin.
I am Ankit.
And today we are going to explain the topic what happens when
Is
mines
mines collapses? First question that arises is, what is a mine? A mine is an excavation in earth from which ores and minerals can be extracted.
And what is mining? Mining is the extraction of metals and minerals from the earth.
What is the mining accident? A mining accident is an accidental issue that happens due to the process of extracting minerals and metals from the earth.
And the worst mining disaster is Peninsular disaster.
And these are some of the disasters that occur in the world. And these are the disasters that occur in our country, India.
The Peninsular disaster occurred in 26 April 1942 in China. It killed 1,549 miners, and it's a disaster of fatal explosion of gas and coal dust. The death occurred due to the closure of ventilation system.
Over 2,315 million people died because of mining accidents.
And these are the zones where mining disaster occurred.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stop.
Good morning, my name is I am Sabri. My topic is aluminium. Aluminium is a chemical element in a boron group with a symbol of A and atomic number 30. Now my friend Chitra is going to explain an experiment.
Now I am going to explain an experiment. This experiment is about aluminium foil board experiment. First take a tub and pour water inside it and make a aluminium board. Now as you keep on adding the coins in it, the density of the aluminium is more than the density of water. So the aluminium is floating now. As you keep on adding the coins, the density will be equal to the aluminium of the water. So after
After some time, it takes some time to sink into the water. After some time, it sink into the water. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Ryan Sheikh and this is my friend Sahil. This is a coal mine and coal gets extracted from this mine. Coal is used to generate electricity, hydroelectricity, and is used in railway yard to run engines. Coal is used to produce heat and light energy. My friend will explain more about coal.
Coal is mostly found in the United States. It's found in Phoenix, Pittsburgh, and